Just about anyone watching the news understands why being prepared for an emergency or disaster is more important than ever before. Here with some innovative ideas to keep you safe and ready is Skip Bedell. Skip was the host of Spike TV's Catch a Contractor and has been a regular contributor on Fox and Friends for the last 7 years. Welcome, Skip.
Hey, good morning. Thanks for having me. Yeah, it's so important to be prepared for all sorts of natural disasters, any type of weather event, anything that could happen. You want to make sure that your family is safe and have all the things that you need. So Uncharted 72, this is the ultimate bug out bag. It has everything you need for 2 people to survive for 3 days. 72-hour kit, food, water, shelter, all the ingredients are inside this. So if you're going to have any one thing, this is the one that you want to have. It makes it easy because color-coded, you can grab it and just run, and all the ingredients that you need right here to keep your family safe. Super important to have survival food. I have a year's supply of these ReadyWise buckets. They're stackable, 25-year shelf life. Just add water. You have great meals, everything from a 72-hour to a year's supply, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Meat, fruit, vegetables, everything is in these buckets, even non-GMO and organic options. So great to have a supply backup for food, really important. Parcel Safety. Listen, I cannot stress how much is important to have air respirators. Make sure that your air is clean. If you're in a wildfire situation, you have to evac. So important. It's usually not the flame that kills, it's the smoke. Make sure you have a full face respirator. Keep them in your home and also in your vehicle. Medical kits. This is my favorite, My Medic. This is the #1 medical kit out there. This is everything that a paramedic would carry inside these kits. Trauma shears, tourniquet, chest seals, all the professional ingredients. It comes from a backpack for hiking, boating, camping, in your vehicle. They have a lot of different options. It's the #1 medical kit available. Make sure you have everything you need in a trauma situation. And last, you want to make sure you can get your car out if you're stuck. This is Track Grabber. Simply strap it on your wheel, get back in the car, and use the power of the vehicle to get you out. This is a great way to get out of unstuck out of the sand, mud, snow, ice, anything. Track Grabber is very easy to apply. It's compact. Keep it in your trunk. It'll get you unstuck.
Where can we get more information?
Yes, check out my website at skipbedell.com. I have links to all these great products.
Thanks, Skip.
Thank you.